I got it. No need to worry.
My friend Cam says he can play the drums. Prove it.
Oh, hold on.
Men, women be shopping.
V8 twin turbo in the CRV 2022 Sport. Nothing beats it, I swear.
Holy crap, Lois. This reminds me of the time that we were in Pac-Man World 2.
I've been throw up the sex in
It's The Payback by James Brown.
Like the check, please.
My name is Jordan and I'm a poster. Fuck off.
Yo, what up, Jeffrey Dahmer? Yo, what up, Jeffrey Dahmer?
What did I do? Did I...
There's 2 seconds left in the quarter. Can we drive your car?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. You say you can drive your car.
I put it back to the setting you were at. Can't see shit.
Yeah, I drive an HRV.
What up, Vlog Squad? What up, Vlog Squad? Today for this YouTube video, I'm gonna give my girlfriend a present. Babe, walk out. Yo, babe, keep walking. Now look.
Oh my god. Oh my.
So guys, I got her at the table. Good boy. Good boy. What's up, guys? I just watched Bullet Train, and I gotta say, it's one of the greatest movies I've ever seen, personally.
In terms of an action comedy standpoint, it really hits all the nails on the head. There was dramatic irony in it.
I give it a 3.
See, I can't do this.
That's all today, folks. Peace out.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's Grace F. Thank you for watching this late installment. Like and subscribe and turn on those bells. Peace.